Hey guys, it's your girl Dio Adore, and I'm back with another YouTube video. As you can tell from the title of this video is going to be a clothing haul. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, so this is the first piece and I do love it. It's a top and the cheetah print shorts. The shorts are a bit scratchy, so you do have a lot of room in them. I love the top, and all of these are in a size small. I'm gonna link them in the description. And this outfit does not come as a set. This is sold separately and I put them together for this video. I do like the cross pendant that's in the middle right here. It brings it out more. And I also love how it comes with like extra cloth material right here, so that my titties won't be popping out on the sides. So it's very supportive as far as the bra part. And I love the little back out. Well, this is the second dress. It's the little bubble skirt. It comes with the back out. I do have on a nude bra. I can definitely do this. Wear it out. Make it cute. And it is a turtleneck, so it comes all the way up to the neck and cover your neck. It's a no-go. It's a no-go for me. It's a no-go for me. The shorts are way too big. Like, somebody help me. You see all in my butt. To just cause it's not. I really thought I was gonna be sexy in this little two-piece set right here. I ain't even finna hold y'all. This really disappointed me. I thought this was gonna be easy, cute. Feeling it. Pull it up. Just, I ain't doing what I need to do. It ain't look, but let me take this off. I don't really like this. This is ugly. This is ugly. What's going on right here? On the picture, this was sewed together. Did they give me something that's ripped? Only the stomach part's supposed to be out, boo. Shein, y'all done made y'all own design or some shit. You don't wanna think of me happy, bro. Don't you wanna think oh my god. I don't like it, I ain't even lie. Off, maybe on some play clothes type stuff. But not on no going out. Maybe walk around in the house in it, sleep in it. I don't really like, this don't look nothing like the picture. But I'm gonna take this off and show you guys the next one. This one I rate a 0, and the one before a 0 too. Not made well at all. So yeah, this one isn't that bad, but it's bad. If we're being honest. Listen, it's pretty scratchy. I can say that. It gives you some room to move around in. The back is out. Booty looking luscious, but I would be better off buying the real Jalore, I don't know her name, but I know she makes these suits. And Shein came and knocked it off. Gave us a cheaper option, but I don't think I like this. I'm not sure. I'll probably still wear it, you know, walk around in it. We'll see what it can do. As far as that, probably make some videos. I don't know. I do like the back out. Maybe I can pull it off. Let me know in the comments how this looks on me. Maybe I can pull it off. I don't know. Let's see. Period on period. Period! So, this is the last dress. I love it. It's just what I imagined. Give it what it's supposed to give. I love this. I'm not even gonna want you guys. Maybe out of all the outfits that I got today, this one is my favorite. The other ones wasn't given today. So yeah. The white and the black at the bottom. I love the ruffles and how short it comes up. Very cute, very girly, very my style. Just the right amount of shortness. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys these last couple of things, and I'm also going to be trying on some outfits with my new Firmoo glasses, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I got this little yellow lingerie set from Shein, size small. I'm going to be taking some pictures in it. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at @DiorAdore. That's where I'm most active at, and I post a lot on Instagram. Here are the panties. I believe they go this way, or the other way around, I believe. That's the butt. So I got these little hair clips. The little cheetah print outfit that I got, I'm gonna pair it with these. Go with my hair. It looks pretty. I think I like it. My goofy ass. That's the bracelet. And this is the arm piece, y'all. I gotta get it together, boo. This is the arm piece. Period. On period. I'm finna go fight wars. The Indian woman. These are so cute and sexy. I love them. I like it. It's cute. Oh shit. My hanger just fell in the closet. Ooh. I'm gonna link it in the bio. I do want to try this outfit on to see how everything will look together. So these are my new pairs of glasses that Firmoo sent me. I'm going to leave my code in the description and right here at the bottom of the screen so that you guys can get 50% off for this Black Friday. Yay! You get little instructions, coupon, glasses. Yes, sirski. Oh wait, I got it. I love these glasses so much. They're so cute. And I love how chic and classy and clean they look. Like, who comes up with these ideas? Look at the little hearts. Crystal clear. I was gonna pair these with my cheetah outfit. Make sure you guys go and shop with Firmoo and use my code to get 50% off. They're affordable. They come with prescription, also non-prescription if you just want fashionable, cute glasses. I love them so much. I can't wait to wear them out. Let me try on the other pair. I really love these a lot though. I love all of Firmoo glasses. The frame fits my fits my face so well and pretty. I love it so much. So these are the Hello Kitty ones. Really cute, really girly. The little bow in purple, and then you have some little hearts right here. The frames are purple. You get your little cute designs. I love these so much. There will be an upcoming Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales, and I recommend Firmoo glasses as the perfect holiday gifts for your loved ones. The frames are beautiful, the material are sturdy and longevity, the designs are very pretty and fashionable, and the prices are very affordable. That's it. Okay, so that will be the ending of this video. I hope you guys like this video and stay tuned for the next one. Bye guys.